Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jai, watching me on the X Fund. So yesterday I have just finished watching one of the greatest and mind-blowing web series, that is Dark. So when you start watching this series, I think you should take a paper and a pen and then you just have to sit, because the thing which is shown in the series, that is like unimaginable. You might have not even heard about those concepts. So obviously this is about time traveling and this is about a science fiction series. So there are four families which is present. One is Carnward and Doppler, and there are so many other families. So that's what I say, that the difficult part here is that to understand the characters. So first of all, when you actually see season 1, the first 4 episodes is nothing. So when you actually think it is a time traveling and people will do these stuff, and if you think that kind of thing, first 4 episodes going to be not at all good for you, because in the first 4 or 5 episodes they don't show anything. Means that is just the secret thing which they are going to explain it in the in season 2 and season 3. But that first 4 episode is like even I felt like I just thought about this Dark series so big, but when I saw the first 4 episodes, that was like totally blunder, because nothing was shown in the first 4 episodes. But after that, after reaching the 5th episode or something, your mind will be blown, because the things are shown in that way that as I told you, that you can't even imagine about that. So I would request you that when you actually when you start watching the first or 2 episodes, you better make sure that you know all the characters, that you connect with the characters, and you know that whose child is who and whose sister and whose daughter is who. You should know what is the family tree, you should know. So after that, after 4-5 episodes, the people who are traveling, that is like unimaginable. So in the beginning they actually show about a story which is happening in one particular year, in one particular village, in one particular time, which is like 2017. But after that, when there are 3 other years which is happening here. One is 1956, the second one is 1953, second one is 1986, and next one is 2019. So these 3 years are totally connected, and some people from this year will travel back, and this year will travel in the future, and after traveling back also they grow from that year. It means like they are stuck in somewhere, and so many things will happen here. And also there are 3, if one person is there, one character is there, then that character might having the younger self and adult self and the older self. So when you actually look at the characters, you can guess that if this is a younger character, then you can guess the older character. So that was done perfectly, that character guessing. You can guess the characters. So in this series, it's going to be like, how much ever you think, that much is going to get complicated, and that much you will get more confused. So this is like the basic thing is time traveling, where you travel through time and connecting different time lapse and different things. So many things will happen here. So I would like to say that do not watch this web series within peer pressure. So when you actually do that, you might lose interest in it, and you might just not concentrate it. So this is the basic thing you need when you are watching this. You need to have concentration. Like you have to know exact thing, like what is happening at what time, what is happening. So when some twist happens, you try to connect that twist. Okay, how is this happening? Actually they show this, that this something happens, so they twist that. Okay, and they make it as a confusion, and after some time they reveal that what actually the confusion was. But at that time, after revealing what was the confusion, they give another confusion. So you might actually not get what exactly is going on in the series. So when you see season 1 and season 2, that is going to be the most confused seasons of all time. You will think that season 1 and season 2 are going to be the most confusion. So season 3 will be okay, fine, this all confusion will end in this season 3. But when you enter season 3, that is there the confusion starts more. They start the story into the next level. And the next thing is that the connection between these 4 families which is present in that Winton family, that is just a village which is shown in that web series. So this all 4 families are totally connected. Like his son will become his daughter, and his daughter will become again his brother, and so many things. See, you didn't understand what I told. So the same thing happens in the series also. So I would like to say that, you know, it's just like exam, that something is going on the screen, and here you sit outside and then you think about it, then how does it happen? So how does it happen? So if you are, you know, really, you know, weak in thinking, or if you don't like thinking kind of series, it's not a good series for you. So, you know, normally when I, you know, watch web series or something, like for a long time, when the series is going to end, when the final season comes, I actually don't think about the ending, because you know, there are some series where you think, you know, as the ending as a big thing, but that just goes like a nothing. So I don't want to do that. That's what I didn't even think about this Dark. But, you know, but actually I should say, what the, you know, how it started was, you know, that was so difficult, and so many confusions were there in the first season or something. But that third season ending, that was just like, I would say that they didn't make it that complicated, that was just like a simple ending. I would say the background score and, you know, this cinematography and the screenplay is the best thing. I would say this screenplay, you might have never heard of it. So I would just say that, you know, if even now, if I want to understand more about this series, I think I have to watch again from season 1, 2 and 3. So, but, you know, I'm kind of satisfied with it. So I just want to tell you this, that if you have not watched this series, I think you better go and watch it, because if you are a person who likes science fiction, kind of, who likes time traveling, you know, kind of series, you have, you know, why did you watch this? You should have watched this right now. I would like to, you know, recommend you one thing, that if you are, you know, if you start watching this Dark series, I think, you know, you should binge watch it. If you start watching now, it's good for you, because, you know, you won't be having that much time to think, because those people who have started watching in 2017, after first season, they should, you know, think on what actually happened and what is going to happen on season 2 for a longer time. But since you're going to start now, it's going to be really, you know, you can, you know, get things easily, because even what I did was, when I started watching, you know, it in when season 2 came. So after finishing season 2, when I started season 3, I literally forgot every character's name. So whenever the character's name was, you know, coming on the series, I took my mobile phone, I, you know, typed the character's name in the Google, that okay, he is telling about this character, but who is this character? So, you know, you might even forget about the character. That's what I did. I took a phone and then I typed the name, and then okay, fine, so this character is here. So I just thought like that. So this is all I wanted to tell you guys. So if you have not watched this video, you know, series, I would recommend you to watch it, and it is also available in Netflix. Each has it has 3 seasons, and each season has 8 to 9 episodes, and each episode consists of 1 hour, and I would say that 1 hour is, you know, worth it. This 26 total episodes are there, like total full season. I think it is worth it, and also after, if you watch it, I think you will also feel it is worth it. So don't waste your time. Instead of watching other series, if you like science fiction, you better watch this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was a good video. I hope you understood, or, you know, you understood what actually gonna happen in the series. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.